Roar.
Ostrich. Bakit parang ayaw nila yung ostrich?
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Okay, nakakalaman natin si Sir. Okay. Player number 2. Sir, ano po ang favorite animals niyo po?
Go.
Okay, dog, kakantayin na ba yung happy birthday? Gamit ang sounds ng dog. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, thank you so much. Okay, ready na ba ang ating player number 3? Okay, kaya naman. Ready and 1, 2, 3, go!
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Ready na po ba? Okay, ready and 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, Toast, Miss, Shelter, get the go! Okay, thank you so much, baby. Okay, please, and tataliman ko sa Okay, ayan, paunahan na lang ulit. Okay, kids, hands up. Shoulder, knees, hand, nose, shoulder, shoulder. Okay, say hi, Grace. Ayan, mag-hi ka muna sa ating birthday celebrant na si Baby Matis, okay? Hi, Grace at Kuya Manuel. Thank you so much sa pagpunta din sa birthday. Okay, say hi. Okay, mag-hi muna tayo sa ating birthday celebrant na si Baby Matis, okay? And happy birthday! Okay, ayan, syempre nakuha na natin si Mami and Daddy kahit konting birthday message po para sa kanilang baby po. Okay, sir, ano po?
Mahal na mahal ka namin naman. Huwag kang makulit. Alam namin, sobrang bakal mo. Pero alam naman namin na good din yan dahil healthy ka. And, ayun. We love you so much and happy birthday. Happy birthday, baby.